Hello everyone, I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka Obelago, okay? And I'm the guy providing you guys, providing the TBC community with education on TBC, cryptocurrency, and also providing e-commerce support to the Billion Coin community, okay? So in this video, I'm doing this video straight for the Billion Coin app. If you don't have the app, go and get it now, okay? Make it a habit of making sure that every single person who joins TBC gets the app, okay? Really important, because the information is very key. Okay, so in the blog of the Billion Coin app, okay, and I want to highlight a very important point. Okay, I'm not going to read this lengthy message from the TBC admin. Okay, you can go to the Billion Coin app on the blog section and read all the blog posts by the TBC admin for today. Okay, but this particular video is to address those who want to encourage discounters. Okay, I know there are people out there who don't have strong spirit, and when somebody makes them an offer they can't resist, they fall for it all in the name of, hey, let me get the cash. Okay, why? Because they don't see value in TBC. The value system in TBC, their belief in TBC is shallow, and that's why when somebody makes them an offer they can't refuse, they fall for it. Okay, I'm talking about people who contact you and tell you, hey, I want to pay you $100 for you to give me 1 TBC. Can you imagine that? That's pure discounting. 1 TBC as of today is about 3.4 million naira. $3.4 million. Okay, that's a lot of money in naira when you convert it. But what do you do when somebody meets you with this kind of offer that you can't resist? All you simply need to do is educate the person. But how can you educate someone when you're not informed with what is going on in the TBC community? And that's why you need the Billion Coin app to stay up to date with what is going on in the community. Now, if somebody wants 1 TBC, there is a beautiful, easier way for them to get that, okay? And that is through the cookie rewards system. And that's what I want to show you from this write-up here on the blog, okay? So I'm going to scroll down to right here at the bottom of the message. Now, the next cookie reward redemption is going to be in May, full month of May. So May 31st to May 31st, okay? And the next after that is going to be in November, from November 1 to November 30th, okay? And there you can redeem your cookies for TBC. Now, when you have 100 million cookies, okay, you will get 1 full TBC, okay? When you have 1 billion cookies, you will get 10 TBC. And how do you get 1 billion cookies, or how do you get 100 million cookies? It's simple. When you refer people to join TBC, okay, when you refer about 100 people to join TBC, per 100 you will get 1 billion cookies, which is equivalent to 10 TBC. But the easiest way, okay, if you don't want to go through the stress of referrals, is by purchasing TBC. Okay, when you purchase $100 worth of TBC from me, I will give you the equivalent of that amount in TBC. Now, guess what? You will also get a reward of 1 TBC, meaning that if you purchase $100 worth of TBC, you will get $100 worth of TBC plus 1 TBC upon redemption. If you purchase $200 worth of TBC, you will get extra 2 TBC coin. If you purchase $300 worth of TBC, you will get 3 TBC coin. Then if you purchase $400 worth of TBC, you will get 4 TBC coin. It's as simple as that. If you purchase $1,000, you will get, my friend, 100 TBC. Okay, it's as easy as that. Okay, it's as easy as that. So guys, it's simple. Okay, rather than looking for where to discount and buy TBC from, why not purchase from a trusted seller like me? Okay, my number is on the video below, on the link below. My WhatsApp group for those who want to partner with me is there. There's also a link for you to download the Billion Coin app. There's also a link below for you to also download the Billion Coin Mat. Okay, the Billion Coin Mat is an online store designed by Format NG Store, okay, to provide e-commerce support to TBC community specifically, where you can shop and pay with your TBC. So you're getting more value with your TBC, and you have more reason for you to go out there and let people know about TBC. Okay, so if you're looking for a trusted seller to buy TBC from, okay, and you want to buy TBC legitimately, you can buy from me. Okay, I'm a trusted seller with a send button, okay, and a reputation in the TBC community for helping the community to grow. Okay, so that's all. If you have questions, send an email. Okay, the comment section is disabled for now to avoid trolls who come to my comment section and try to, show that they know about cryptocurrency more than us and try to teach us what they don't know. Okay, so it's simple. Okay, if you don't have up to 1 TBC, you can partner with me, refer people, and 50% commission. If you are looking for a trusted seller to buy TBC from, it's simple. Buy $100 worth of TBC, okay, and you will get 1 TBC coin extra. Okay, let me also throw a juicy part, which I'm going to do a full video for shortly. Is for if you haven't paid your $10 fee and you want to buy TBC, okay, when you buy as little as minimum of $50 worth of TBC from me, I will take care of a $10 fee for you. Okay, it's as simple as that. So that's the extra offer I'm giving out for you. So if you are watching this video, if you watch this video until the very end, this is your opportunity for you. Okay, all right, so take on your winning starting with my humble self, Chukwu Kablago. Take care, bye for now.